Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add widgets on a laptop or desktop. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, go to right click on a blank space right here on your taskbar. And then just click on taskbar settings. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, make sure that widgets is enabled. And then once that's done, just close this one. So you can just go ahead and click on your widgets right here. And then, as you can see here at the top, you can add widgets. Okay, just click on the plus sign. Now you have instant play, sports right here, traffic, watch list, and even weather. Okay, so by default, you'll be able to see all right here. Okay, so click on the plus sign, instant play, here we have it. Sports, if you want to add it, just click on pin, and there you have it. And for example, for weather right here, you can go ahead and click on the three dots to customize it and change it to Fahrenheit or Celsius. You can hide this widget or even customize the widget from here. You can pin this one as well. Here you have it. Now when you go and scroll down, you have all of these widgets right here that you can just go ahead and click on the three dots, hide or pin it, mark it right here, customize it if you want to, drag and drop it into your desktop. So you'll have a shortcut, but it will be a browser-based shortcut, okay? Not like on Windows 7, as far as I remember. You have all these crazy widgets right here. But you can go ahead and do that if you want to install, okay, a third-party software. You could also download, just open up your Microsoft Store, log in with your account, and then just find Widget Launcher, okay? Wait for it to load, and here we have it. Just click on it. And then just click on Get. As you can see here we have some pretty nice widgets, just like Windows 7. Okay, just wait for it to download. And if you want to, you can go ahead and add in a clock right here, as you can see. So once the installation process is done, just click on Open, and you can now go ahead and close the Microsoft Store and just wait for the app. There you go. Now you can add in a calculator. Just click on it, select the skin, and then the accent, the font color, transparency as well, and then just click on Launch Widget. Okay. Wait a bit, and here we have it. You can now then go ahead and move it right here at the top right if you want to. Add in currency converter, RSS feed, world clock. Just click on one, launch widget. Here we have it. Okay, you can customize it from here or here, however you want. And that is how you add widgets on a laptop or desktop. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.